Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto from OKX to Trust Wallet, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer crypto from OKX to Trust Wallet, start by opening the OKX app on your device. Log into your OKX account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Assets section at the bottom of the screen. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer to Trust Wallet. Tap on the Withdraw button, usually found near the selected asset. Now, you need to enter the withdrawal address. Open your Trust Wallet app on another device or in another window. Select the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Tap on Receive to find your wallet address for that asset. Copy the wallet address displayed in Trust Wallet. Return to the OKX app and paste the address into the withdrawal address field. Next, specify the amount you wish to transfer. Check the withdrawal fees associated with your transaction. Confirm that all information is correct, including the address and amount. Once verified, tap on the Confirm button to process the withdrawal. You may be required to complete additional security steps, such as entering a verification code. After completing the security steps, your withdrawal request will be submitted. Keep an eye on the transaction status within the OKX. Once the transaction is completed, open your Trust Wallet. You should see the transferred crypto appear in your wallet shortly after confirmation. If the funds do not arrive, refresh your wallet or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth transfer of your crypto. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.